Ooh, your mama made some sausage, steak stir fry with some sweet onions and broccoli. Honey, that make you go slap somebody, mama. But if you slap this one, baby, you may not get to taste it.
Hello guys, I was reached out by this company and it was for my Blackstone, and if you know, your girl loves her Blackstone. So these are called magnet wind guards, and I have a 36-inch Blackstone grill, and I'm telling you guys, I absolutely see the difference. So they come in two different sizes. You have two that are smaller, and then you have two that are longer. The longer ones go across your back because that is where your 36-inch. They do give you the allowance for your dripper. Also, the two that are shorter are for your size. And guys, they have a magnet, so the only thing you do is turn them upside down with your magnets on the top, and they click right on. So right when I did it, I put it on and I said, you know what? I want to see how well these really work. So when I turned on my propane, guys, I did not have where the wind was blowing my fire. It clicked on and everything was perfect. And another thing that I noticed, guys, it cooked my food on my griddle evenly. So guys, I absolutely love these, and I would like to say thank you so much for reaching out to me and sending me over these guards for my griddle. I absolutely love them. And guys, for all the information, just drop down in the description down below. So guys, I'm gonna cook some stir fry, and I will see y'all in the next one. So guys, I decided that I had some steaks and I had some sausage. So I decided to do a steak, sausage, broccoli, and sweet onion stir fry. So I am your stir fry queen. I don't care what it is, I can stir fry it. And I absolutely love the stir fry. So I made this. I end up filming this on my cell phone, guys. I am so sorry. I had a phone call and I continued cooking and I was on the phone. I was like, oh my God, I was supposed to be recording this and I can't because I'm on the phones. But nevertheless, guys, I did show you everything, what it looked like afterward, and I'm telling you, this was a super hit. I absolutely love my Blackstone. I was in Walmart the other day. They are on sale now. The one that I have, it was $500. Right now, it is on a inner summer discount clearance for $238. So if you like the one that I have, go ahead and grab it.
So guys, I know y'all want to know, now having the wind protectors, how well did it cook this time, guys? The wind is moving here. You probably can see the trees right there. Look at there. So we do have a little bit of wind going. So overall, guys, I did see a difference of how I lit it when I got ready to hit it, to light it. It read off. And also, it made my food cook way even. So if you're interested in this problem, I'm going to leave it down below. And I'm telling you, my sausage steak stir fry came out very well. So I will show y'all guys me plating it. I didn't film all of it. I had a phone call and I'm doing it on my phone. So I will show y'all guys after I plate it. And yeah, and then we're in this video. Bye. So guys, I have already seasoned my Blackstone. I'm going to get all of my seasoning supplies and everything. And meet me in the kitchen, okay? Okay, guys, so what I cooked was
steak, sausage, and broccoli stir fry. Okay. And I already got one that's sitting over there. Killing it. So let me see what it's gonna taste like. That's so good. It's all the way on point. So, okay, y'all. That food was getting good. Oh God, that is so good. But guys, also, y'all know that I like prebiotics. There are 2 new prebiotics I don't want to tell y'all about. So y'all can go ahead and grab. So this one is the wild berry. Y'all, bussin'. This is so good. I bought 2 and I got them from Kroger. They were $2.49. I got it from Kroger. So the day I was in Walmart and I saw this one, and this one is called Rich Rush. Now, I don't know what it tastes like. Don't make me lie, but we about to open it. So see what this gonna taste like. Because y'all know I love my prebiotics. I love my probiotics too. So I smell a little ginger in it. Y'all, this one, shut up. If you like these, the Olippops, go. I found this at Walmart. Let me tell you something. They had the Barbie. That was gross. The Barbie was gross. This, shut up. I'm gonna have to give me some more of these tomorrow. Trying to tell y'all what it tastes like. It tastes like a apple mixed with a green grape. That's really good. So the last thing I'm gonna tell y'all about to go grab, y'all. So y'all know I don't eat McDonald's, right? Y'all know this. But I eat the pies. You know the black pies. Just the pies. Y'all. Let me tell y'all right now. I don't eat nothing else from McDonald's. I don't even eat their ice cream. Okay? But their pies, yo. This is the sweet potato cream. Pumpkin and cream. Yeah. That is what she look. If I drop this, y'all, I might drop down and grab it. That's just how good it is. This is it, y'all. Look. It put a dance in your belly. Yeah, let me tell you something. If y'all have not, I'm gonna say this. If you say, oh, I don't eat pumpkin pie, I only eat sweet potato pie, go to McDonald's, you eat those. Because it tastes like a sweet potato. It's honestly tastes like a sweet potato. And with the cream cheese inside. I'll see y'all McDonald's. And I'm going to see y'all again one day this week. I'm just going to buy about 12 of them. Put them in the freezer. Show this. Now, y'all. Let me go ahead and tell y'all this. I am going to kick off fall September 1st. September 1st. September 1st. I don't know if I want to do a haul or I want to do a haul within the video. I don't know. The typical thing where everybody they do their fall haul, then they come back through and decorate. Look, I'm doing like I did last year. I'm doing my own thing. So, I am going to give y'all a haul We're gonna clean the area and put all the decorations out. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm not doing no other way. Ooh, your mama made some sausage, steak stir fry with some sweet onions and broccoli. Honey, they make you go slap somebody, mama. But if you slap this one, baby, you may not get to taste it. I already know what that means. So, y'all, the stir fry is banging, banging, busting. The wild berry drink is so good. But this new one, I think this is the best one they even came out with, y'all. This is good. And the pies, stack high. Yeah, I got 3 more. And do, because I don't start my diet until what? December the 31st. The 31st is when I start my diet. See, I don't be like, y'all start y'all diet New Year's at New Year. December 1st. Because I don't cook like that no more. I don't cook all that food. And if I do, I don't eat it. Compulsion. I don't eat all that food. I let them eat it. Stand there and look at them. Look like the macho man. Anywho, I would like to thank my sponsor, because let me tell you, those Wingates, they really do work. And what I actually noticed, guys, I did not film the whole thing. If y'all want to see me do a stir fry on the Blackstone, you tell me what stir fry you want me to do. You want me to cook breakfast, brunch, lunch, dinner. Y'all tell me what y'all want to do. I have not cooked breakfast on it yet. So we might do a little breakfast coming up. My little breakfast. Just a little bit. So, those Wingates, guys, I am honestly liking them. And what I actually noticed, because I did stir fry cooking on it the first time, and of course I was learning it too, but literally I was on the phone and I cooked the steak, the 3 pieces of steak, the broccoli, the onions, the sausage, and then threw the rice in it. It probably took about 30 minutes. Probably 30 minutes. And I mean, that is fast cooking, and that's what I love. That's absolutely what I love. So guys, I'm gonna wrap this up, because I got some more wrapping up I got to do. Don't forget them. Take a picture. Go ahead, scan it, put it in your Walmart. Okay? Go to McDonald's. Tell them I sent you. Woo, y'all better not do that. What the hell is that? Anyway, y'all, I'm out of here. Love y'all guys, and y'all know what I'm gonna tell y'all. I gotta go, but I will be back. Until the next time, peace and love. I love y'all. How y'all do it?
Pow. Big bag, big bag, big bag, big bag. Yeah, my bag is loaded up with snacks and different foods.
I like.